It's good. It's juicy.
Like the wing?
Oh, it's good.
Wow. Good job, mommy. Good job. Hi, guys.
Happy
I'm
Thanksgiving,
eating. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. Let's eat, guys. Okay, let's eat, guys.
Go ahead.
Wow, nice.
This is pineapple pie, compliment from Niagara Bottling, and this is pumpkin pie.
What you have? What you got? You like the...
Kaon-kaon na.
What is that?
Mashed potato
Mashed
with
potato and
gravy.
bread. Oh, we have here steak.
Steak.
Beef steak. We have here beef steak. Of course, Thanksgiving has turkey, guys. Turkey. Enjoy, guys.
Try na to ni guys.
Wow.
Kay, ani guys.
Hey, guys. Wow.
Wow.
It's
Wala,
juicy.
Like the wing?
Oh, it's good.
Wow.
Juicy, good
Good job,
extra.
mommy. Good job.
Bas ay brine.
And
Bro,
this
the-
one too.
Juicy cute. Juicy cute siya, be. Ay, baby. Chat boy.
Here.
This is steak. Good job, Chad. Wow, nice. Good job, mama. The turkey is well done. Wings of turkey. It's good. Well done. Cook well done by mommy. And Chad, Tyler. It's better yun nga, brine.
And then marinate.
Brine, we brine this one and marinate. I'm the one who mukbang only.
Wala gyud ang langso. Brine naman day ang kulang.
Bye. Thank you for watching.
Don't forget to subscribe, like,
Like and share.
And subscribe.
And comment.
Comment.
Bye guys.
Bye.